Hey, I'm Mike from Eurowise Off-Road, and today we're going to talk about our Gen 2 steel spring strut mount conversion kit. Alright, so what we have here is our Gen 2 steel spring upper strut mount conversion kit. These are all the components that come in this kit. Now, we've created this to simplify and make your life easier when converting from air suspension over to steel spring. Generally, if you were to source all these products from the factory, OEM, Volkswagen, or Porsche, you'd spend well over $800 to individually piece this kit together. What we've done is make it way easier for you and create an OE aftermarket just as good quality and convert your air suspension over to steel spring using any coilover kit, whether it be an OEM replacement or our EXD suspensions. So to give you an example is a set of air struts, one front and one rear from a Cayenne. Now the Cayenne and the Touareg do share the same mounting pattern, so they are cross compatible. You can see here that on the rear, the ears or the mounting points are built into the shock. They cannot be separated and you cannot convert them over to a steel spring vehicle. Same with the fronts. You can see the studs are built into the upper hat. So in order to convert to a steel spring, you either have to buy an entire factory strut, which in most cases people want to upgrade anyways. So what we've done mainly to work with our EXD suspension, you can see that this is our EXD coilovers. And if you wanted to convert it to a steel spring, you'll simply just buy our mount kit and this bolts right on top. And then you can slide it right into the car and it bolts right in just like factory. If you are running a OE strut or any other manufacturer that uses a OEM spring configuration, which means the indexing and the diameter of the spring is like OEM, then these strut mounts will work for you. In each kit, we include the OEM rear left side and right side strut mount, along with the plastic retaining ring and rubber bushing. Same thing goes for the front. You have your upper mount with the built-in strut mount and the retaining ring and rubber isolator as well. And as always, these items are available on our website at shop.eurowise.com. Thanks for watching.